Hi kids! Welcome to the Curious Caterpillar. Let's learn and have fun together. Hello kids! Today, let's count together. 1 apple. 1. 2 apples. 1, 2. 3 apples. 1, 2, 3. 4 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job, kids! Hope you liked the video. Like, share and subscribe to the Curious Caterpillar. See you next time.